What do you reckon of an Annapurna basecamp ski touring trip?
Doable.
What's day one been like so far?
Hard.
Yes.
I'm looking forward to a cold beer tonight.
Now you just. Two days in.
Yep. I just had a wee moment.
Yeah.
An extra hour and a half.
And then where are you going from Himalaya?
To base camp. ABC.
Oh wow. And then are you
Nervous being because of the rain earlier?
Nope.
Just trying to see because I think you really don't want to push. You don't want to push.
Good results. Did a quick CT.
Bye!
See you.
See you!
Annapurna 1! Oh! On the road again. Last day.
Last day.
Hello.
Hello.
So where are you staying in Buffalo?
Kiwi Hostel?
You have
Geese. Geese. Grace. Grace. Grace.
Fuck's sakes.
This trip wouldn't have been made possible without funding from ourselves.
Special shout out to Katie Deans and Rob McIntosh for supplying the camera equipment.
Mr. Joe Bradley for supplying some of the ski equipment, and Hero Motorcycles India for supplying bikes with really shit rear shock absorbers.